In the previous video with the one with the bed leveling, where I had a 2¼ inch facing router bit, I noticed that the router didn't have much oomph in it. So I read the manual for the router and found out that there are two possible wiring options. Now, because I didn't install the router myself, I don't know what the configuration of the wiring was. So I need to open it. I did find a manual for it, but it didn't give me instructions on how to reveal its inner secrets. So here I am trying to break the thing open, I guess, and it's not really working out. What happens is you have to take out the top first and then remove the pieces in the bottom. So there you go. And as I suspected, I have a configuration of I have a delta I have a Y configuration, and it should be in delta for 220 volts. So I was driving the spindle on 220, but the voltage was much higher. The actual voltage that the spindle required was 380. So now all I have to do is close it up, plug everything back in, and then give it a go. And I'm pleased to say that this was indeed the problem. The sound of the motor has changed in a happy way, and I'm also guessing that it's going to be much more efficient. So thank you for listening. Please subscribe if you like this kind of videos, and let me know what you think. Thank you.